comrades, my name is Bhaskar Kumar. In view of understanding electrical machine subject, we are moving to our first topic, that is atomic structure. Why we need to study this atomic structure, or why we need to recall this atomic structure? For this question you will get answer by the end of this video. Let us have a quick look on the history of atom, because some of the basic questions were asking in this area, particularly for various junior engineer examinations. Let's get started with atomic structure. Thousands of years back, Greek philosopher Lucifus and Democritus having said that any matter in this universe is made up of tiny particles, and they named it as atom. Atom is a Greek word which means uncuttable or undivisible. This was experimentally proved by John Dalton in 19th century. From his atomic model, he concluded that every matter is made up of tiny particles called atom. They are undivisible. And different matters will have different types of atoms with the different masses. Most of the experiments in the 19th century were based on discharge tubes. In the sequence of these discharge tube experiments, at the end of 19th century, J.J. Thomson, a British physicist, conducted an experiment by using cathode ray discharge tube. In his experimental setup, he used a glass tube, and he maintained low pressure within the glass by removing the entire air, and he kept two metals at one end of the glass sheet, and he managed to give power supply for the two metals. Now he observed that a ray is starting at cathode and passing through this anode and striking the glass at the other end. He was very curious to know the nature of this ray. For that, he used two electrodes at the top and bottom of the glass tube. Now he observed that ray is just bending towards anode, which means this ray is having negative charge. For further confirmation, he surrounded this glass tube with a magnet. Any charged particle, when experiences magnetic field, it is supposed to be change its path. The same thing has happened in this case also. He managed to calculate charge upon mass value for this ray. He found that the mass of these particles is 2000 times less than the mass of an hydrogen atom, which is considered as the lightest atom. Which means these negatively charged particles must be coming from an atom. If these are coming from an atom, how